Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play Roblox with a controller on PC. First, connect your controller to your PC either via USB or Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, open Windows and search for Bluetooth. Now, choose Bluetooth and other device settings and click on it. Now turn Bluetooth on and click on Add Device. Choose Bluetooth and here you can easily connect to your controller via Bluetooth. After your device gets connected, it will show up just right here. Now, after doing this, your controller will be paired with your PC. For USB, plug in the controller to a free USB port and wait for drivers to install automatically. Now, search the Setup USB Game Controller in Windows and open it. So click on this button and simply select a controller from the list and click Properties to test inputs. Then launch Roblox and start a game that supports controllers because most popular games do. Roblox natively supports Xbox controllers and compatible gamepads. Also, you can use the controller's analog sticks, buttons and triggers to play as you would with keyboard or mouse input. Now, you also don't need additional software for Xbox or PlayStation controllers as Roblox detects them automatically. For non-standard controllers, you might need configuration or third-party tools. So, this method gives you smooth gameplay for racing, fighting, simulator, and action games on Roblox using your preferred controller. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.